I'm going to show you 4 ways to display your meats for your charcuterie board to make it just beautiful. So the first one is the rose. That's super simple. Just take salami and you place it around the shot glass about halfway down, and you press it down. And the second slice, you're just going to put it over the first slice about halfway over, and then you just turn and add slices just halfway over the next one, just overlapping like this until you reach about 8 to 10 slices. It doesn't have to be perfect. You just press it down a little and you just turn the shot glass over. And here you go, a beautiful rose. So that's the first one. The second one is just a little bouquet. So what you need to do is fold your salami in half and just roll it in kind of a little flower. It makes just a little teeny flower. You can always put a pick here, and when you put it in with several others, it just makes a little bouquet. You can do the same thing with prosciutto. You take a half a slice of prosciutto, you fold it in half, just roll it like a little flower. There you go. It opens up. It just makes a little prosciutto bouquet. You can display it like this. Next, I'm going to show you how to make a salami chain. That's very easy. You fold your pieces of salami in half and you put them flat side down on your board here, and you just work them, interlocking them one after the other, like this, and like this, like this. There you go. And you can continue as far as you want, and it will display nice and tall and people can just pick them up. Next, I'm going to show you how to fold prosciutto so it's easy to pick up. Take a full piece of prosciutto and you fold up the bottom piece here a little bit, not all the way. And just take it at the bottom and fold it in accordion style, just like that. There you go. And you'll be able to fan it out and display it upright, which will be easy to pick up. That's it. 4 ways to display your charcuterie meats. If you enjoyed my video, please subscribe to my channel and visit my website for party printables, party tips, and tons of freebies. See you there.